Viewers, welcome to SRK Studio. I hope you are doing well. In this video we are going to learn that how can we quickly draw a floor plan in AutoCAD. So let's get started. First thing we need to do, we need to change the unit of the yqarch. The yqarch is basically a plugin you can easily install from the link given in the description. So the first thing we need to change the unit, that is just type yq units and click. Here are few units, that is mm and cm, centimeter and meter and inches. So I select the inches, and now the second command we are going to use is for the wall thickness. Just type the wall thickness. It depends on you. I just select the 7 inches, and now just select these lines, as these lines are already drawn here. Now again space enter and select this and select the lines. So as you can see that these lines became double. There are 2 lines. The thickness of the walls is here. And now this third command we are going to use is to place the doors. For this we just need to type AD and select. And now as you can see here, it's written width, or you can type W for the width and select the width here. I selected this is 36 inches and the fire width is 6 inches. And now okay. So I need a door here, and I need a door here. I also need door here, one door here. You can easily flip the door as I move the mouse. You need a door here. Just move the mouse, and one door here, and one door here. So as you can see, I have already placed the doors. Now we need to place the window. For the window, we need to type AW. And I just for the window width, we need to select width. The width of the window should be 60 inches. And now we need a window here, and one window here, and one window here, and one window here, and one window here. And we also need another window. And for the ventilator, we need to type AW. Select the width. Width should be 24 inches. Okay. And one should be here. One should be here. So as you can see, I already placed the windows and doors, and now we just need to place the furniture. For the furniture, I just need to type JJ for the furniture and select a bedroll from here. Okay. And now just select point 1 and point 2. As you can see, if you raise the mouse, you very easily see this. It depends on you where you want to. It depends on you where do you want to place the furniture. As I place it here. Okay, place it here. And now second one, again tap JJ for bedroom. Select the bedroom and place it here. It depends on you where do you want to place the furniture. Okay, and now again take a rectangle from here and type R. This one. Just delete this one. We just need to place the sofa over here. For that, I just type JJ command and we need this one. Okay, and select it here. Okay, now we need kitchen furniture. Type JJ, and here you can see the kitchen. Just select this point. If you want to change the cooker, you can change. Just type C. If you want to change the tiling, you can. If you want to or switch off or switch on the tile, you can easily. You want to arrange, just type A for the arrange. Okay, just place it here. Now we need again bedroom. For bedroom, just select this one and select the 2 points. Okay, remove this one. So now we need bathroom fixtures. Type JJ and select from here. Pick 1 point and pick second point. Just like this. Place it. If you want to delete, you can easily delete this one. Again JJ for the bathroom fixtures. Select this. Okay. If you want to arrange this, you can easily arrange this. Just type A. Okay. And now again JJ bathroom fixtures. Okay, select this one and this one and type A to arrange this. Okay, delete this one. Now we need a stair. Just type LTJ for the stair. This one is the stair. Rotate this. Place it here. So the plane is ready. I think we need to change this one. Just delete this and again type JJ. Select the bathroom fixtures. Type A. Okay. So this is how we can easily draw. This is how we can easily draw a floor plan in AutoCAD quickly with the fastest method. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, kindly subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you so much.